Wait, tell me one thing. Who do you agree with more, Wipro or Infosys? Is 70 hours of work per week too much? What do you think? Amid all this debate, one thing is clear. I want a job with a steady income, and honestly, I can work with both the companies. I'm sure many of you feel the same way. That's why I made this video for you to share ways to get a job at Wipro. And while researching about the topic, I found out some amazing programs through which you, as a college student from any stream, be it engineering, BCA, BSc or diploma, can start earning and can work full-time at Wipro even before you graduate. To help you with this, I have divided the video in 4 sections. First, how to get a job at Wipro while you are still in college. Second, how to apply for Wipro job after graduation. Third, recruitment process at Wipro. And fourth, important tips to clear Wipro's interview. Wipro offers too many roles in different fields. On the screen, you can see different job roles. If you already know your interest area, keep brushing your skills, because skills are what will get you a job in a big company like this. To learn skills, check out Internshala. You already know it's a great option. And if you're still figuring out your interest, start reading about these fields to find out what excites you and then focus on learning those skills. And once you have acquired those skills, you can apply for jobs at Wipro. So how can you do that? One way is through on-campus placement drive. If Wipro visits your college for campus placement, then do not miss the chance and clear the interview. For that, you need to maintain a decent CGPA of 7 to 8 CGPA and also practice interview questions. Or else, Wipro also has many programs through which they hire the best talent. Here are 3 programs that you can consider. First, Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt. This program is for engineering students across India and offer freshers a package of 3.5 LPA. But you have to qualify their eligibility criteria for this program. The application process for this program is pretty simple. You have to visit Wipro National Talent Hunt page and begin your registration. Then you have to appear for online assessment that consists of 3 sections, that are aptitude test, written communication test and online programming test. After clearing the assessment, you will be invited for the HR interview. And if you get shortlisted, then you will be provided a letter of intent which you have to sign to receive the offer letter from Wipro. The second program is WILP, that is Wipro's Work Integrated Learning Program. This program is designed for BCA and BSc students to get a chance to work at Wipro while pursuing a full sponsored MTech. Just meet their eligibility criteria. Moreover, WIP offers 2 amazing programs through which you can earn master degree from BITS Pilani while working with them. That is Wipro Academy of Software Excellence. This program allows you to pursue an MTech degree in software engineering. Second is WIMS, Wipro Infrastructure Management School. In this, you can earn a master degree in IT infrastructure, business and cloud computing. During these programs, you will get high-paying stipend as well. So you can check out these programs. The links are in the description box. I recommend you to save this video for your future reference. Third program is SIM, a school for IT infrastructure and management. It is for students who do not have a degree but a diploma in these technical fields. With this program, you can get to work at Wipro and also a chance to pursue a fully sponsored degree from Wipro. But again, you have to clear the eligibility criteria for this program. So the process for these 2 programs are very simple. You have to fill out the registration form. You have to then appear for online assessment round that has 2 sections, aptitude and written communication test. And after clearing those assessments, you will be invited for HR interview. And then you will receive an offer letter from Wipro. These were the programs that you can opt for when you were in college. But what if you have already graduated from college or are an experienced professional, then you can apply to job at Wipro directly through their career page. For example, if you are looking for a software developer role, then you need to do this. First, visit Wipro's career portal using the link in the description box, and then use keywords like developer, analyst or programming languages like Java or Python to filter vacancies. Then you have to choose your preferred work location and click on Find Jobs, and then review the job description and apply to the role that interests you. Simple. Now let's see the second way to find out the job vacancy and apply to them, and that is through job portals like Internshala. Over here you can find 5,000 plus job openings with great salary packages. अगर विप्रो नहीं तो कोई ना कोई अच्छी दूसरी ब्रांड कंपनी मिल ही जाएगी, तो इंटर्नशाला भी एक बार जरूर चेक कर लेना for job vacancies. And there is one more way to get a job at Wipro, and that is through referrals. Some companies only prefer to hire talents through referrals. So if you have a friend or family member who works at Wipro, ask for their referrals to increase your chance of getting hired. And if you are wondering how to get a referral as a fresher, then watch this video in the description box. I have covered some useful tips in there. अब विप्रो में जॉब तो अप्लाई कर दी, बट इट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस, जो कि वो बहुत सिंपल है. इट हैज 5 राउंड्स. द फर्स्ट राउंड इज द एप्लीकेशन स्क्रीनिंग राउंड. In this round, the recruiter will shortlist your resume based on your qualification, skills, and then fitness for the role. The second round is the online assessment round. In this, they will assess your logical reasoning, mathematics, and if you are applying for any technical role, then there would be a coding round as well. The third round would be technical interview round. And the fourth round would be HR interview round. In both these rounds, the HR will ask you technical and HR questions. And to clear both these interview rounds, you have to practice interview questions. So for that, you can subscribe this channel. I am also making a video on interview question asked in Wipro for both technical and HR rounds. So make sure that you do not miss that video. And once you clear both these rounds, the last round would be documentation and the offer letter. So it is quite easy to get a job at Wipro if you have the right skills. Also, I recommend you to check out their career page to know more interview tips, how you can clear interview at Wipro. On the screen, you can see some of the points taken from the Wipro career page. For more details, do not forget to save this video and subscribe to our channel. Till then, all the best.